Good morning, dear students. So, in today's class, I am going to solve a mixed problem of measures of vital statistics. So, the problem is, from the following data, calculate crude birth rate, general fertility rate, a specific fertility rate for the following age group for 25 to 39 years. Means a specified fertility rate you have to solve for 25 to 39. So these are the columns given. Age in years is given, male population is given, female population is given, number of live birth, age 0 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and so on. So first of all, we have to make total of the columns. So the total of male population is, the total of this is 1,79,000, and do the total of female population also here, 1,74,000, and number of live birth 11,413. Okay, so let us start with the problem. First thing, they are told to find crude birth rate. So first we'll solve crude birth rate. Crude birth rate formula is crude birth rate is equal to number of live birth in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. For every measure of fertility you have to multiply with 1000. Okay, so this is the formula for crude birth rate. Now put the values in the formula. Okay, so number of live birth in a year here. So you have to do total of number of live birth. So number of live birth is 11,413 divided by average population. Here average population means population of male as well as female. So do the total of both, 1,79,000 plus 1,74,000 into 1000. Okay, now 11,413 divided by total of this is 3,53,000 into 1000. So simplify it, the answer is 32.33. So this is the answer for crude birth rate. Okay, now second they are told to find general fertility rate. Okay, so second measure of fertility is general fertility rate. So general fertility rate is equal to, the formula for this is number of live birth during a year divided by total number of women of child bearing age in a year into 1000. So remember, the childbearing age, main thing in general fertility rate, the childbearing age starts from 15 and end till 49. So you have to take the class interval between this only. So leave the space. So we'll make here age column childbearing age. So childbearing age, take only those class interval 15 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49. Okay. Next we need female population for solution, woman. So we need only female population of this class interval. Okay. So take down 15 to 24, female population is 35,000 sorry. 25 to 39, female population is 38,000 and here 28,000. Same way you copy number of live births. So number of live births, 6,846, 3893, 674. Now make the total of this. Your total will be 1,01,000 and here 11,413. Okay. Now see the formula. Number of live birth during the year. So this is 11,413. Next, number of women of childbearing age. Now childbearing age is 15 to 49. So women female population total is 1,01,000. So make their 1,01,000 into 1,000. So answer is, make simplification, answer 130. Okay, so this is general fertility rate. Now last one is age specific fertility rate. So age specific fertility rate formula is number of live births to female of the age group. Now they are told to find age specific fertility rate between 25 to 39. This range they are told you to find 25 to 39. Only this we want, a specific range, divided by total number of women of child bearing age in the year into 1,000. Okay. Now see here, number of live birth to female of the age group 25 to 39. So see here, 25 to 39, live birth is how much? 3,893 divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year of that group only 25 to 39. What is the female population? 38,000 into 1,000. Now you can see here. So number of live birth 3893 of that age, and 38,000 is woman population into 1000. So a specific fertility rate is 102.45. Okay, so this is the first problem. Now this is the second problem which I am going to solve. So this is the problem. Compute general fertility rate and total fertility rate from the following data. So age is given 15 to 19, 20 to 24. Now you can see here the difference between every class interval is 5. Okay, so it is concunial ASFR if you want to find. Female population is given and number of live birth is given. Okay, shall we start the solution? We have to solve only two measures, general fertility rate and total fertility rate. So first we have to total female population and number of live births. Female population, total it. So total of this comes to around 70,000 and total of number of live birth is 4570. Okay, so shall we start? First one. So first they are told you to find general fertility rate. Write the formula for general fertility rate. Number of live births during the year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year into 1000. So for every formula you have to multiply. So leave the space. Now we want number of women of childbearing age. So make the column for that childbearing age. Now as I told you, childbearing age is 15 to 49. So it is given as we want. Okay, so here only you can solve. Number of live birth, total birth during the year. Number of live birth is total is 4570 divided by total number of women of childbearing age. This is the childbearing age 15 to 49. Of that, total number of female population is 70,000 into 1000. So simplified answer is 65.29. Okay. Now next, second thing, they asked you age specific fertility rate. Okay, ASFR. Okay. The formula for age specific fertility rate ASFR is number of live birth in a specified age group in a year divided by total number of female in that particular age group in a year into 1000. So this is the formula for A specific fertility rate. So in previous problem they had asked specific age fertility rate, but now in general they have asked A specific fertility rate. So here only we will make a column for A specific fertility rate. Okay, so you have to solve. Number of formula C, number of live birth, column number 3, number of female of that age. Okay, column number 3 divided by column number 2 into 1000. So I'll show here first one if you want. So number of live birth is 500. Okay, divided by number of women of that class is 10,000 into 1000. So answer is about 50. Now one more I'll show. Second one, here live birth is 900, female population is 15,000 into 1000. Answer is 60. You can write 0, 0, 0 if you want. Okay. Similarly, you have to do this. So 1400 divided by 14,000. Answer is about 100. 1170 divided by 13,000. Answer is 90. 450 divided by 9,000 into 1000 is 50. 120 divided by 6,000. Answer is 20. 30 divided by 3,000. Answer is about 10. So total means this is total, what will say, summation ASFR. So total of this column is about 380. This is A specific fertility rate. But as I had told you, here the class interval are 5. So it is quinquennial ASFR. So they are told to find total fertility rate. So in the problem they are told, after general fertility rate, they are told you to find total fertility rate. Okay, so total fertility rate formula is 5 into summation quinquennial ASFR. Okay, 5 into summation quinquennial ASFR. Okay, if age difference is 5, then you have to take 5 into summation quinquennial ASFR. If it is not, then direct the total of ASFR is total fertility rate. Okay, so 5 into quinquennial ASFR means total of ASFR. As I told here, see, the total of ASFR is 380. So total fertility rate is 1900. Okay, hope you understood this both problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask me and try to practice in home in your notebook. Thank you.